Adding money to your Coinbase account is really easy to do. First thing you're going to need to do is you need to get the Coinbase app and create an account if you don't have one. Once you are on the app, what you're going to need to do is you simply click on the buy and sell option in the bottom left of the screen, where from here you click on the buy option, and as you can see, we can choose the currency that we actually want to buy. Now this can be anything, but if you do want to keep it stable, such as just putting money in the app, I recommend choosing USDC, which is the equivalent of the US dollar, but adjust it so that inflation does not affect it. So we click on the USDC option and enter in the amount that you actually want to put into the Coinbase app. From here, you simply click on the pay with option, whether that be Apple Pay, or you can choose one of your cryptos if you have money in this account already, or you can click on add payment method in the bottom middle of the screen. Add your bank account, debit card, or PayPal to add this money to your Coinbase account. Once you've selected how you're going to add your money to your account, you click on review order, and as you can see, it'll show us what we are getting. We're getting 10 USDC, which is US dollar, and you click on buy now. There is a 5% fee, just keep in mind at the bottom middle of the screen you can see this, but you click on buy now.